Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set up wireless payments on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your watch to pay for stuff in the store instead of maybe using your normal plastic card. Okay, if you want to set up wireless payments on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And then we can tap on devices. And once you tap on devices, you can tap on HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro to select it from the list. And here, scroll down and look for the option called App Gallery. It's possible you're missing this option, and if you are, one possible fix I could propose is to reinstall the Huawei Health application, and during the installation select different service region than you selected before, because I believe some of the service regions don't support all of the features. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working, so I recommend to try reinstalling the app, selecting different region, even United Kingdom, and check, and hopefully it will help you and it will work and you will have the app gallery. And once you have the app gallery, you can tap on it, and here you can scroll down through the list and look for this app called Quickhold Wallet. We need to install it on our watch, so tap on install. It's gonna start installing. As you can see, it's now transferring to the watch. And once it's done installing on our watch, we also need to install it on our phone. Actually, let's do it now in the process of installing it on the watch. So we can open the Play Store on our phone or App Store on the iPhone, tap on search and install the Quickhold application. So tap on search for Quickhold, and here we have it, Quickhold Wallet. You can tap on it and tap on install, and wait until it's done installing also on our phone. So let's check the progress for the watch. It's still installing. Okay, let's wait for it to install also on the phone. Unfortunately, that's the only app you can use with the Huawei watch for now, at least. I tried to use the Google Wallet, but it's not detected by the watch at all. So that's the only one I can say it is working with this watch. Okay, it's installed on our watch, so if you wake up the screen and then press the Chrome button, you will see it right here. And if you try to open it, if you don't have it installed on your phone, it will tell you, oh, never mind, it's already installed on my phone. So as you can see, it's telling me to set up the payment card on my phone. So let's open the Quickhold app, and here you will need to fill out quite sensitive information, so I won't go through that, but basically you can tap stop using, and then you can log in and then tap on payment cards, activate the digital card. Basically you will need to fill in information like your ID and stuff like that, so that's quite a process, but once you activate the card itself, it will be here and it will be detected by your watch. And to go through the process of payment with your watch, basically what you will need to do is to use the shortcut for that. And to do that, we need to go to settings on our watch, so press the Chrome button, select the settings icon and tap on it. Of course, find this option called down button, tap on it, and here you have press once or press twice. By default, press once is selected as activity menu, so basically it will open the activity menu, but you can change it if you want. But press twice is reserved for the payments, and you can tap on press twice and select your payment app, which is Quickhold Wallet. And once you select it, let's check if it's selected, it is. Now when you double press your quick button, or rather lower button, it should start the Quickhold app, and if you have the card set up, it will let you pay basically for stuff with the watch. As you can see, it tells me to set up the card because I don't have it set up, but I don't plan to do that. I just want to let you know how to do it, because you will need to fill out quite interesting information there to set it up. And unfortunately, that's the only app that's working with this watch. I would prefer Google Wallet or even Samsung Pay, to be honest, or Revolt maybe, but this is the only option for now. Okay, and that's how you set up wireless payments on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.